In today's video, I'll guide you through how you can create text behind a person in Canva. So first, let's create our canvas. For example, I am just going to go for a presentation one, but you could work with it in any other sizes that you'd want. So first, I'm going to put in a text. For example, I'm going to click here on text by pressing the T button. And from here, I should now be able to create one, and I'm just going to type in sample and make it into a thicker font. For example, this one right here, and then I'm gonna make it larger right here, there, and just like that. I think that's enough. Now I'm gonna add a person there by going into elements and going for a photo. For example, this one right here. And I'm gonna remove the background by clicking here on the background remover. And as you can see, the person is actually behind the text. So how can we fix this? It's simple. So you just have to select the photo of the person or the text, whatever it is. So if you're selecting the text, you would need to right click, go into layer, and then send to backward right there. And it will now be at the back of that person. But if you have multiple elements, then you might have to do this multiple times until you get your desired results. So you just want to adjust it accordingly. And now if you are selecting the person, let's say I'm gonna undo that right here, selecting the person, then you just have to go for send to forward right there. Or you can go for send to back or send to front if that would work for you, but I recommend that doing it one by one by bringing it forward or backward, especially if you have multiple elements present in your project. So yeah, that's it on how you could create a text behind a person in Canva. I hope this video helped help you out. Thank you for watching.